Hello, animal lovers, and welcome back to the Pet House, the ultimate destination for all things perfectly hilarious.
بس خلاص بقى.
Get ready to witness some truly Olympic-level smackdowns in our segment on funny cat fights. We're talking kung fu paws and world-class theatrical wrestling, all set to make you choke. Okay, you've seen cats fight each other, but what happens when a mighty feline meets their ancient nemesis? That's right, it's time for cat versus dog.
Get back! Hey! 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 Hey!
All right, we've seen the funny play fights inside the house. Now, let's step outside, onto the mean streets. This is where the comedy ends and the territorial drama begins. But the main event, the kings and queens of comedy, the funniest cats of the world. Prepare for unexpected silliness, surprising bravery, and absolute delightful chaos.
Oh. No, 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 I hate that. Pippin, no. Stop it.
In the wild world of the alley cat, every patch of pavement is a kingdom, and these monarchs fight hard to defend their turf. Forget cute boobs. These fights are about dominance. This isn't really fighting, It's more like a clumsy, confused tango. The baby sees a new fuzzy toy, and the cat sees a tiny, loud, and highly unpredictable creature that keeps invading its favorite sunbeam. It's a clash of wills, a struggle for territory, and frankly, the funniest display of passive-aggressive pet ownership you will ever see. The cat always wins by simply walking away, or by taking a well-deserved nap right on top of the baby's favorite toy. Watch the absolute focus. This isn't just a game, it's a life or death mission. The cat crawls like a tiger in disguise in a forest of grass, every move calculated, or so he thinks. We've covered dog fights, baby fights, and street fights. Now, let's talk about the battles that happen every single day in your own home. Cat versus human. Spoiler alert, the cat always wins. The scene is set. The baby is enjoying their delicious, nutritious, and probably messy meal. The dog, meanwhile, is executing a perfectly timed, highly motivated sneak attack.
Nothing beats a jet to holiday.
calm, appreciative, and energetic tone. And that's all the hilarious pet chaos we have time for today. Thank you so much for watching these funny videos here at the Pet House. If you loved this avalanche of animal antics, please don't forget 2 things. First, hit that subscribe button right now to become an official member of our pet-loving crew. Second, share this video with a friend who needs a good laugh today.